Welcome students of class 9-10 Islamabad Collegiate School, Khulna, English version. How are you? Now I begin my class in science, class 9 and 10, and prepared by or behalf of Manoj Das, lecturer, ICSK. Chapter 5. Now discuss about chapter 5, light for sight. This is the figure of a eye and different parts of the eye. At first, our discussion matter is mirror. Everybody know mirror. Everybody know mirror and function. Every day we use the mirror according to the appearance of our different parts of the body. But now we discuss about mirror and definition of mirror. What is mirror? In which transparent reflect plane body the light is reflected in regular way. Such type of planes are called mirror. This is the figure of mirror. Uses of mirror. In which purposes we use this mirror in every day. Mirrors are used in various purposes. There are main two special purposes of mirror are given below. These two are safe driving and the other uses of mirror in the dangerous invisible turning of hilly roads. Everybody use mirror by riding the vehicles, and mirror is using for the opposite side, and different types of car or things are coming, looking is apparently or clearly. Now a student understood the mirror and uses the mirror and different parts of the mirror. Figure main two purposes of uses mirror. This is the figure of mirror. Right side of your screen the mirror are using the driving, and left side the screen the mirror using the zigzag hilly road or the street, and using the mirror. Reflection of light. Refraction of light. We know that in a transparent homogeneous medium light always travel in a straight line. Homogeneous means same medium. Homogeneous same medium such as air medium, glass medium or hard medium. When a ray of light incident not perpendicularly but obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, the direction of the ray changes at the surface of separation of the two media. The phenomenon of this change in direction of a ray is called the refraction of light. Observe the figure below. Here X, O, Y, everybody follow the figure. It is the surface of separation of two media, and N, O, N dash. In the normal at the surface, if a ray of light incident along the line AO, then AO is the incident ray and the point O is the point of incidence. The first medium is air and the second medium is glass. Glass is optically denser than air. So, the ray of light AO travels from air into glass. This is the figure of refraction of light. Here N dash A O O C O B. This is the direction of light. Here rarer medium, upper part is rarer medium, lower part is denser medium. Upper AO is the incident ray and lower OC is a refracted ray. It is refracted towards the normal O n dash and passes along the line OC in a state of going along OB. Here OC is the refracted ray, angle AON is the angle of incidence, and angle CON dash is the angle of refraction. It is mentionable that if the incident ray was not along AO but along the line NO normal incidence, then it would be refracted straight away along the line ON dash. Now, law of refraction. On the basis of the nature of the travelling light ray at the time of refraction, the general decision can be given that it may be expressed by two laws. Law 1. The incident ray, the normal drawn at the point of incidence on the surface. Normal drawn means simply draw a figure on surface of separation and the refracted ray all lines in the same plane. Now, law 2. For a definite pair of media, definite pair same on pair of media, and for a particular color, particular permanent or particular color of light, the ratio between the sign of the angle of incidence and the sign of the angle of refraction remain always constant. Constant means their value, there is no any sense, that is refraction. The constant number mentioned in the second law, that is the refractive index of the second medium relative to the first medium for the particular color of light, that is for different color of light. The magnitude of this refractive incidence is different. Now, homework: differentiate between reflection and refraction and explain the diffraction. No more today. Thank you everybody. Dear student, I hope that you are enjoying the class, and it is very important